His design philosophy is captured in the term Sehaj, meaning peacefulness and simplicity. Therefore, all of the Pen Gadda and Associates projects have a clean, minimalistic sense where elements are added only if deemed necessary. An art enthusiast by nature, the Pen also believes that art gives soul to a house which is otherwise a lifeless building. Hence, he uses it in all his projects. His own farmhouse in Vadodara, called Niranth, is a product of experimentation and his design insights. Built on 4,400 square feet of land with basic materials like concrete and stone, this house has a subtle modern royal sense. It is built in a linear fashion and is surrounded by large lawns, including one on the terrace, which gives the landscaping a seamless sense. The Pen's love for art is evident right from the outside, where human sculptures are used to depict the ideas this home stands for, like an interaction with nature and relaxing in it. The background of this installation is a soft textured wall that is soothing to the eye, and it also has a cavity within that keeps the place cool throughout the year.
This house is kind of inward house. From outside you hardly see anything except one opening in triangular shape which is coming out in the entertainment area and few slit windows. Here in this project we have tried to achieve many things in basic simple rule of architecture, where the southwest opening should be narrower than the northeast opening.
The mood of the home is expressed in the architect's favorite poem by Rabindranath Tagore titled Where the Mind is Without Fear. This is etched on the main door. The interiors of the space spell attention to detail and bold minimalism, as the Pen calls it. The entrance opens into a passage which forms the spine of the house, along which the living, dining, home theatre and the two bedrooms are placed. The architect has tried experimenting with the IPS floor here by varying colour pigments and stamping the concrete with printing blocks. The living area has white walls with custom-made furniture to create a simple and soothing canvas.
It is carrying the similar color which is flowing from outside and inside. You can't even see the frames or doors. They are actually made in a way that they merge into the environment.
The bold and modern royal aspect comes in through the earthy color pops of blue, red and yellow that contrast the otherwise monochromatic space. It can be seen in prints of M.F. Hussein's work on the cushions as well as the upholstery of these chairs. The same color scheme features on the ceiling in what can be a takeaway for your home. Reduce echoes and sound leaks by using acoustic panels such as these, and make them ornamental by covering them in block printed fabric. A Moroccan pendant lamp at the center completes the look. The artworks on the walls here are what the Pen has collected through his travels. Since the orientation of this house is within itself, an indoor swimming pool that is accessed from the living room makes for a relaxing feature. Let's now move further into the dining area, which has a pantry that overlooks it. The monochromatic and minimalistic style continues here too, where the highlight of the area is a dining table with benches instead of chairs. The Pen wanted to keep the setup casual as well as seat more people when entertaining guests. Hence the benches and a Jaipur stone ledge along the window. Like the living room, the cushions and the acoustic panels on the ceiling bring in color and a modern royal sense.
Each and every piece of furniture or any utility you can see here, everything has been custom made. The basin which we have bought actually from Bali, it is in a shell shape, and again that is piece of an art.
After the dining area comes the recreational room with a home theatre system. Color blocking makes this space eye-catching. This and the two bedrooms of the home share a blue IPS flooring that was worked upon by artists from Auroville. This flooring, in fact, forms the most attractive feature of these spaces. Let's highlight the master bedroom now. A 4-poster bed with blue and white sheets that match the floor, an extended indoor garden at the back, and the skylight above it gives this space a sense of calm and subtle luxury. In fact, the sun filtering through the fabric of the skylight creates dynamic artworks on the wall through a play of light and shadows. To sum up the experience of this home, we can say that luxury needn't always make a loud statement, but can lie in attention to detail and subtle ornamentation.